Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got another video. In this video I'll show you how you can see super likes on OkCupid. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we will simply start our video. For that matter, what you're gonna do, first of all, access your app in your mobile phone, or you can go ahead, access your Chrome browser, type in okcupid.com on search bar, and land on this kind of interface. Here in this home section you can see I'm logged in as well. Afterwards, super likes is only a feature where you get it from the other person who have seen your profile and have chosen to give you super likes. So here's icon section on top. You can see, if you tap on it, you can get all of the notifications regarding who liked you, your intros, and whose profile you have liked so far. So if you got a super like, you will find a different stack over here automatically showing super likes. You can tap on it and you will be able to access the profile that have liked you, and in this likes you section as well, you will be able to find their profile automatically. And so those members will also appear, and if you have, and for the matter, if you got the premium member, you will be able to see them in multiple places, because those members will also appear in your normal likes list anyways. So but if you're a premium member, you will get the easy access to super likes that way. So make sure to get the subscription for that, and then there you go, you will find your super likes and you can check who have liked you. So this is it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.